So guys, I wake up every day by 5 just to get the kids ready, make sure everything is okay, you know. And guys, I won't even lie, I go back to bed. Like, I sleep for at least 30 minutes to 1 hour because I don't sleep on the belly fool me. Let me not even front. You know, the belly fool me, like you wake up really early, so I have to just go back and rest so my brain will work. So when I'm fully awake, the next thing I do is just to go through my phone, like check on my messages, DMs, like pictures, comment on my business page and on my blog page. That's what I do. And then I go to my laptop, I browse, I just go on YouTube, edit some pictures on Canva, just go through the internet, learn some things. I like to research a lot. And so on this particular day, I got a call, which most times it happens like either from hobby or from friends or from business associate, blah blah blah. So I just go to my kids' room to make sure everything is in order, like arrange everywhere. Small arranging because obviously we scattered the room, so I just do small touch-ups. Of course, this is the time to eat. Very, very important. In my last video where I did like a real life thing, someone was asking me like, aren't you going to eat? Yes, I eat. I have to eat, guys. Then I clean up after me. You can't be leaving things lying around. It's not every day, let me not even lie. Sometimes I will eat and leave it till the afternoon. But for the purpose of this video, let me just do some kind packaging. But sometimes I wash it out. No, I'm not a pig. So today I was just trying to make my background. I was just trying to see how it looks. So this is what I was just working with. I actually got this material for 1,000 naira and I got the sellotape for 250. And then I just organized my business things, arrange packages, people's packages that I was going to send, you know, like just organize stuff, guys, organize stuff. Guys, I was just hyping myself, trying to lose that hand fat. As in, my Christian mother is becoming too annoying, so I'm always trying to lose that fat. I'm always shaking my hand, and this is me just goofing around, guys, like trying to enjoy myself. I hope you enjoyed this video, guys. If you did, give me a big thumbs up. Don't forget to comment and subscribe. I love you guys so much. Until my next video, bye.